Your massage chair has seen better days. It's not functioning as smoothly as it once did. Faced with this issue, you might be thinking about the cost and hassle of replacing it entirely. But what if there was a simpler solution? At Wang Qirui, we understand the importance of maintaining your massage chair's performance, which is why we offer detailed guidance on how to repair common issues. Follow our easy-to-understand maintenance videos and step-by-step instructions to breathe new life into your chair. With our support, repairing your electric massage chair can be a straightforward process, extending its lifespan and saving you money. Plus, our dedicated service extends to the Togo region and surrounding areas, ensuring local support when needed.